Hello traders, Steve Ganz here with you to continue with this particular trade, our QQQ start to finish trade. So let me just first of all show you one of the benefits of trading. So I am here with a family on a cruise ship, and I can just light up my Wi-Fi and do a trade in the day, or adjust something if I need to or whatever, and then continue on. So again, one of the great things about trading. So anyhow, let's get into this particular trade. So this was our QQQ trade. We're up right about $600 on it, or 11%, 12%. It's bouncing around somewhere in that general range. If you'll recall, if we look at this trade, we adjusted this once when the market ran up huge on us. We had closed out a couple positions. We rolled positions, and if you're unsure of what we did, actually go back and look at the prior start to finish trade, and you'll see exactly what we did here. Anyhow, now that we had done that, this is what we're left with, and don't let this freak you out that our total unrealized loss is a negative 4,800, because we closed out a positive 5,400 here. I know it looks like big numbers here, but when you're actually rolling, it really is not that big of an issue, because we're closing out some trades and opening others. The P&L diagram is the key to it all. We can see that we have about $1,700 in max risk in this paper trade to the downside, and we have $730 in risk to the upside. However, the combination of all that is we're currently up about 620. So what I want to do, if we come in here and we back this off, we can see on our T0 line, this is our P&L right now, and it's a perfectly logical place to close this trade. Now, a case could be made to maybe just thin this trade out, maybe just take 5 out of each of these, and then, leave the rest set there. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and close this trade out. So let me just kind of walk through, again, how we do this here is we would come into each one of these, and in this case, we would sell to close. And if you were trading live, again, this is a paper trade. I made this trade in my personal account as a live trade, but for all practical purposes, all of these should be paper trades. So in this particular case, we would sell to close, and whatever amount, this is a tight bid-ask spread, but whatever amount you were to have get filled on, if you did make a live trade in the future, that's the number you're going to want to put in here, is that sell to close number. And then of course we're going to buy to close here. And again, bid-ask spread's fairly tight there, but you'd want to make sure you put in your correct number. And then we're going to sell to close, and bid-ask spread's tight again, and we are going to buy to close. And that will close out our trade at, in this case, $710 in profit, up 14%. So that is the close of our QQQ iron butterfly, which we turned into an iron condor when the market ran up on us. Again, take a look at the prior video if you need to understand exactly what happened there. That will help you, kind of see that whole thing. And as always, please feel free to make any comments in the description area down below, and also please like and subscribe if you find this information to be of value. It helps us in determining what additional types of things people want to see. So thank you so much, everyone, and that's it for now from the cruise ship. Take care.